Hence, the creation of Only Women Entrepreneurs. I'm out on a mission to provide information, provide guidance, instruction for any woman, whether you're 17 to whatever, 70, looking for a career in construction and manufacturing, because that's where all the jobs are now. People are saying, oh, the layoffs are happening because the economy is slow. But I kid you not, you will get a job as a carpenter, a plumber, or an HVAC technician right now. Why? Because we are experiencing something called a gray tsunami, where people that are in their 60s and 70s are retiring at huge volumes. And those gaps are not getting filled. So if you have breakage in your air conditioning unit, well, we don't have enough HVAC technicians to take care of that. We don't have mechanics to fix cars. And so wait times are going to get longer. Skilled people are going to pick and choose who they want to do work for. And it's normally the larger clients. So if I'm a landlord and I own multiple residential units, I think all the trades would line up to work for me, because that would be a full-time job, 24/7. Whereas if I'm just a homeowner and I have problems with my plumbing, I'm not going to get that plumber. And if you do, you're going to pay extra money. So you're going to have a secure job. You're going to have endless opportunities, and all your training is going to be picked up by the government, because we're in desperate need of that. So I'm trying to put that message out there for women, and yes, men are more than welcome to join, because in the next several years we're going to have severe critical shortages in the trades. And I don't think our society is going to run as smooth as it is now. We're already seeing breakages and slowdowns, and people are going to get frustrated.
I think you're totally right.